The secret of a tasty broccoli cream soup is very simple. Use vegetables. Just because it is a broccoli cream soup, it doesn't mean that the only thing you can use is broccoli. But of course the main ingredient still needs to be the broccoli. Next step is the good quality olive oil, salt, pepper and some dried marjoram. One of the biggest mistakes that people are afraid of salt. Salt will elevate the flavors. Do not afraid to use it. Sometimes if the food seems tasteless, it just needs more salt. In the first few minutes I fried everything and then I filled the pot with water. In the meantime you can subscribe if you are interested about more recipes. Also tell me in the comment section what kind of food would you like to see next time. Cover the pot with a lid and bring it to a boil and cook it on medium-low heat until the vegetables are soft. After that, you can add the cream and let it cook for a few minutes. The next step is to use a blender, blend everything and it is ready to serve. Decorate with some cream and olive oil and use a toothpick to make it a heart shape. The soup is great with some homemade bread, and if you don't know how to make it, I will leave a link in the description.